Hello Explorers, and welcome to another product unboxing and review video. I am so thrilled, so excited to finally show you this product I've been waiting for a while. So this is the Wild Natural Deodorant. It is a sustainable and plastic-free brand. So I'm very excited to unbox this. I love unboxing videos just because the packaging, the way that it's advertised, all the marketing things are so nicely done in so many brands these days. So let's open this up, shall we? All of the plastic-free refills are sent to you if you have a subscription, and you are able to just refill the container that you get once. So it's great for a sustainable household, for traveling, so many benefits. This brochure right over here, they show you how to use their lip balm, or if you're refilling their deodorant. It's really nice because it's little diagrams of how to refill with the plastic-free refills that they send to you. As you can tell, very thoughtfully made packaging, so nice, plastic-free. Right over here, we've got 3 deodorant refills, and the scent that I got it in is honey and cactus flower. Hopefully it can focus right over there. Honey and cactus flower. Oh, vegan friendly and aluminum free. Very, very important to not have aluminum in your deodorants. So I have 3 refills right over here. Let's take them out of the box. So I can always refill my container, which is right here. The vessel that holds everything. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is an Emma Bridgewater collaboration with Wild, and this design is of what dreams are made out of. It's bees. So my family and I, we love bees. Obviously, bees help our environment. They're great pollinators. They're also beautiful to look at, and they do so much for our food systems. And so we pull the bottom. There we go. Slide it. Oh, I can already smell it. And slip onto the sleeve. Carefully pop onto the base. Oh, right there. It just clicks and it pops right out. And then it'll click twist to the right to use. So you just put the case back onto there, and then we take this part off. Oh, it smells so good. What a lovely scent, especially for summertime too. But I just love, I mean, look how cute this deodorant is. It's smaller than regular deodorant sizes, which I love, but the packaging is what gets me. Look at this vessel. It is so beautiful. I mean, how aesthetic is that? Especially for people that love aesthetic things like myself and nature inspired. It's so, so beautiful. That was so easy to install as well. Slip off the cap right there and then just turn it. And there we got our deodorant. So easy. And when this is finished, you basically just slip off the bottom and you put another refill in. It's as easy as that, basically. My goodness. It's aesthetic, it's beautiful, it's better for the environment, better for you. This is the deodorant from the company Wild. So very excited for you guys to try. That was one of the nicest unboxings I've done, just because it was simple, easy, to the point, and also sustainable with their plastic-free options for mail-ins. Very, very happy to have this. Thank you so much for watching, Explorers. I hope you have a chance to try Wild Deodorant for yourself. Please leave a comment and let me know if you have tried it before or when you do try it, and let me know how you like it. So until next time, our next product unboxing and review. Goodbye, Explorers, and see you soon.